Hi, it's Jana Eubank with Simple Stories, and we're here to show you all of our beautiful collections here at Creativation in Phoenix, Arizona. First up, we have the My Valentine Collection. This is a beautiful vintage-looking and vintage-inspired collection with all these gorgeous pinks and reds. You can see the adorable images of the little kids. Isn't that sweet? I love all of the patterns that we have. We have some great vintage images, but also all these general beautiful patterns, the butterflies, the roses, everything coordinates so beautifully. I love these lacy doily hearts. On the back of this one, you have some beautiful typography, lots of fun Valentine phrases. Look how cute these are, all those vintage looking Valentine cards. So beautiful. I think that would be so cute on the inside of a gift box. That gorgeous plaid with the blue and the red and the pink. Along with this collection, we also have some coordinating solid pieces. This is the first 6 pattern papers, 3 of the coordinating solids. They have a different color on each side and this gorgeous tone-on-tone dot to them. The blues, the pinks, the reds, every shade that you will need. Now these were the first 6 pattern papers. There are 6 more. We'll move across, but first let me show you the embellishments. There's this gorgeous set of washi tape. We have 3 rolls in that set. We have this beautiful sticker book. I love these because you've got all these different images, the florals, the hearts. You can use the circles as envelope seals. You even have an envelope, lots of mini phrases, lots of fun things to use. We have 2 sets of ephemera packs or die cuts. We have our bits and pieces. This features lots of hearts and type like phrases and roses, so beautiful. And then this pack is really special. This is called the card ephemera pack. And you can see that you have lots of great images that would make wonderful Valentine cards or Valentine tags. Of course, we have our favorite. We've got the chipboard layered frames. We got the fun heart shapes. How cute would these be framing your photos? Or maybe you want to create a window on your project or a cute shaker with full sequins. We have this gorgeous stamp set, all those wonderful hearts, that beautiful love you image. I love this chipboard set. You've got this nice large love, the hearts, the little girl mailing her Valentine, and this sweet little sweethearts that are in love and having fun together. We have our new Color Vibe foam stickers. Look how pretty the red looks with this collection. And then we've got a stencil. I love the hanging hearts and that gorgeous big phrase. Of course, all of our papers are available in a collection kit. You can get the coordinating solids in a collection kit as well. And then we have a collector's essential kit that gives you a little bit of everything. It has the 12 papers, the sticker sheet, you get 1 roll of washi tape, the bits and pieces, and a chipboard set. Let's take a look at the last 6 pattern papers. Oh, I forgot one thing. In addition to our combo stickers, we have this gorgeous banner sticker sheet. I love using this to add little photos to my page, or even if you just use it as a layer tucked in among your other paper layers on your projects. They're super pretty. This is gorgeous with all of the ephemera looking paper. You've got the roses, and then on the back of that is this really fun washed out it's like a typewriter text, and it looks like it's got paint kind of scraped on top. This beautiful pattern paper with the heart and the doily accent on the side. Then the other side has more beautiful roses, and look how pretty those bees are. We have our element papers that are always a favorite. This is the 2x2 squares. On the back of this one, you can see the beautiful hearts in that pink. The 3x4 cards. The other side has all these hearts. Love that there's patterns interspersed in between. The 4x4 cards here. Look how pretty that doily is. You could even fussy cut that out and tuck that in on your project. The back side has that beautiful floral with almost a creamy yellow background. And finally, our last sheet is this 4x6 element paper. These are great for journaling or adding to your pocket pages. Wouldn't this be fun to add lots of journaling on and all those cute label shapes? And then the back is this gorgeous tone-on-tone little sketchy blue heart, almost like little bubbles. Really, really cute. So again, this is the My Valentine collection from Simple Stories. We hope you'll take a look at it because we know you'll fall in love with it.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.